this video is a step-by-step guide on how you can add custom navigation menu on your WordPress website, especially if you're using a theme that is block based. Okay, so let's go to the admin panel of your WordPress and click on appearance option. Here you have to click on editor. By default, the full site editor shows your theme's home template, but you can add navigation menu to any area. To see the available option, just select either templates, pattern or page. Now you can click on the template part or page where you want to add a custom navigation menu. WordPress will show you a preview of your design. To edit the template, click on the small pencil icon. The next step is adding a navigation menu to the area you want to show your menu. In the top left corner, you can see a blue plus button. Now go ahead and type navigation into the search bar. When the navigation block appears, simply drag and drop into your layout. Next, click the navigation block. If you have already created the menu that you want to display, then click the select navigation block into the right hand menu and click the three dot next to the menu. Another option is to build a menu inside a full site editor by adding page post custom link to more. Add items to the new menu, just click the plus button. This opens a pop-up where you add any post or page and decide whether these links should be open in a new tab. Now when you are happy with the menu look, simply click on the save button and your site will be ready to show the custom navigation template. And I'll see you in the next one.